Most people lose money on international transfers without even realizing it. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing an app based only on popularity, instead of real exchange rates and hidden fees. In this video, you'll discover the best apps to send money internationally in 2026, how they actually compare, and which one fits your situation best so you don't overpay again. Let's start with a simple truth. Every money transfer app is trying to solve the same problem, but they don't solve it the same way. Some are cheaper, some are faster, and some are better for specific countries. First, let's talk about Wise. Wise is known for using real exchange rates with transparent fees. That means what you see is usually what you get. No hidden markup surprises. This is why many users prefer it for bank-to-bank transfers. But here's the problem. It may not always be the fastest option depending on the route. Now here's where it gets interesting. Remitly focuses heavily on speed and convenience. In many cases, it can deliver money within minutes, especially for cash pickup or mobile wallets. But faster delivery sometimes means higher costs or less favorable exchange rates. Next is Western Union, one of the oldest players in the game. It stands out because of its massive global network. You can send money almost anywhere, and receivers can pick up cash in physical locations. That's powerful for accessibility, but fees can vary a lot depending on country and method. Now let's talk about MoneyGram. It's similar to Western Union, offering cash pickup and global reach. It's widely available, but like other legacy services, pricing can sometimes be higher compared to modern app-based competitors. Finally, we have newer digital-first options like Revolut. Revolut works more like a global banking app. It offers multi-currency accounts and competitive exchange rates in supported regions. But here's the catch. Availability depends heavily on your country. So which one should you actually choose? If your goal is saving the most money, Wise is often the strongest choice. If you need speed or cash pickup, Remitly, Western Union, or MoneyGram may be better. If you want a modern multi-currency lifestyle tool, Revolut can be powerful if it's available in your region. Now here's what most people get wrong. They switch apps every time without checking the total cost, including exchange rate differences. That's where small losses turn into big money over time. So here's a simple rule. Compare total amount received, not just fees. That single habit can save you more than switching apps. To wrap it up, there is no single, perfect app. The best choice depends on speed, cost, and destination country. If this breakdown helped you, hit like, drop a comment with your country, and subscribe for more clear finance comparisons like this.